Today, Audrey and I are going to be demonstrating how to build a TRIGA Max curved counter that is 1.2 meters wide by 1 meter high with a load-bearing capacity of over 100 kilos. We're going to get started by unpacking the bag with all the parts, placing like with like. You will see the poles have multi-links at various places. If you're confused as to the placement, please refer to your data pack, which shows you each part itemized and where it fits on the system. So let's get started with the uprights. Audrey's passing a crossbar which has a tensioner fitted to it, and it simply slots onto the multi-link. Make sure that your tensioner is in upright and not fully extended. So your basic structure is now self-standing. Now we can add all the top crossbars, which you will see the tensioner is fixed. Slot it in. So just to highlight, it's always better to start building your system from the bottom all the way up to the top. So you have a basic structure. We're now going to add the graphic rails so that we can add a fabric. The hinge block will simply fit into the slot on the tensioner. You will see that the hinge block can move, which allows you to give you a little bit of space to adjust it. Yeah. Sorry. All the graphic rails can move, which does allow you to align each graphic rail so that you have a seamless edge all the way around for the fabric to be added. The last two brackets are only for your shelf support, so that your shelf can sit neatly on the system. This is your TRIGA Max system, fully assembled. So we're now going to show you how to add the shelf onto the system. You simply slot it in. There are locators on the corner which allow you just to place it on the support bar. There we go. Now we can add the print. Each print has been stitched with a plastic webbing, and the plastic webbing simply guides into the graphic rail. Starting from one end all the way through to the other, we start at the top. You can now just align your print and make sure everything is centered and you're happy before you start doing the exact same process from the bottom, starting from the middle out. Now is when the magic happens. We can now release the tensioners through the fabric just by feeling where the button is, simply pressing that. There's your fabric fully taut, and we're going to add the countertop. Underneath of it. The countertop has locators, just showing you exactly where it needs to go on the system. That's the magic of TRIGA Max.